it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? We're here with another reaction. Woo! Hey, guys, today we are with Skeng. Yes, man, Skeng. And DJ Mac with Black Rain on the down rhythm. Yeah. Yes, man, big up the Ratty gang, the Ratty General, the Ratty G. Big up yourself, DJ Mac. Yes. Take off my glasses. Yeah, man. Big up the whole production team with that one. Let's go!
Fuck on a bomb clot and go dump in the sea, man. If you not deal with violence. And violence we are deal with. Blood clot. Who are deal with violence? Come.
This are the youth on TikTok. What name again, man? Always I deal with the girl. What name? I can't find name. What name?
Blood clot. Who are deal with violence? Come.
Shut them one now. Come here to sleep like a baby.
Clot.
Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head a boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifleman, pull up on the chicken, squeeze it. And up on the block to the money. Anybody hear this I go feel it. And I play me hungry. This top fuck come and make car people for dead me boom over fence and beat up like.
Riddim! Again! Don't Riddim! How much more song the brother Riddim here?
Blood clot. Who are deal with violence?
Valiant to react to Valiant already, no?
Shut them one now.
Catch a while, make up yourself. See it, make up yourself, G.
Sleep like a baby.
Yeah, drink it deep, make up yourself.
Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head a boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifle.
But tell us that them not bad at all. The pussy them not bad, them weak. 7 day, them weak. Them not bad at all. The Black Rain one time, hey. Run up and see now, run up. Run up.
Run up.
Violence.
A violence we are
dealing with. The gang general them.
Who are deal with violence? Come.
Let's go.
Shut them one now.
Head a boom like a ball. No pussy. Why?
Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head a boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifleman.
Man said 1,000 man strong on your front of your yard. What?
Pull up on the chicken, squeeze it. And up on the block to the money. Anybody hear this I go feel it. And I play me hungry. This.
You hear them there? The man tell us say, yo, anybody will hear them, yeah? Them a go feel it. And a wild car on a bus. Hand straight, come and never try. When we pull up on your block, meet me see man a knee lift. A truck over fence, a jump fence. Grimy Skeng. Grimy Skeng. Yeah. African kid, big up.
Shut them one now. Come here to sleep like a baby. Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head a boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard.
1,000 man strong.
Pull up on the chicken, squeeze it. And up on the block to the money.
Feel it.
Anybody hear this I go feel it. And I play me hungry.
Ready.
This top fuck come and make car people for dead me boom over fence and beat couple it.
Slut clap. No fuck with the meds, got people for dead. We boom over fence and beat couple head. 1, 2, couple that. How you mean?
Paint on killer, we paint the road with people for dead. Me boom over fence and beat couple head. Paint on killer, we paint the road with. And if you don't come a road, you get it in a bed.
Yeah, big up the whole of Spain Town, man. Big up the whole of Spain Town, man. Spain Town killer, we paint the town red. We paint the streets red. You see the white line when I make like road, that turn red. Different theme.
Galavin thing dog, who paint the road with. And if you don't come a road, you get it in a bed. Galavin thing dog.
Yo, the man say if you don't come around, you will get it in a bed. So all your things say you're safe in your house, pussy you with it in your blood clot bed. Feel like nasty up. Marrow.
Push my gun in your face and squeeze off. Speed up, but didn't know them a weak heart. So me cheap gun and I go on like big dog.
Clot. Push me gun in your face and squeeze off. The pussy them have weak heart. Enough breadfruit, I mean, chill, I big up yourself, me see, I big up yourself, me G.
Ease up, speed up, read know them a weak heart. So me chief gone and I go on like big dog. Chip up the salad, come up, crack yo DJ Mac, can no bag a long chat. 2 clip tape up, man, I stop, not that. Make a day, me a beat it up in the sun at
Bumbo clap. 2 clip tape up. I call a duty shit. I call a duty shit, the man they pan. The man said 2 clip tape up. So when one round him, just flick it out and shoot it back in and just knock it again. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch it, watch it, watch it. I got. No bad at all.
The last man this head that boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifleman, pull up on the chicken.
DJ Mac for the next one with him again. Similar to the Fiesta, but it's a bad man style. I go. Ready.
This top fuck come and make car people for dead me boom over fence and beat couple it. Speed tongue killer will paint the road with. And if you don't come a road, you get it in a bed. Push my gun in her face and squeeze up. Speed up, read know them a weak heart. So me chief gone and I go on like big dog. Chip up the salad, come up, crack yo DJ Mac, can no bag a long chat. 2 clip tape up.
Man said chip up this a little. Man said chip up this a little Mac. Yo, DJ Mac, big up yourself, me G. Big up yourself, Riddim bad.
Chip up the salad, come up, crack yo DJ Mac, can no bag a long chat. 2 clip tape up, man I stop not that. Make a day, me a beat it up in the sun at. Yo, everything caught up, pen me roll up, left boy fall up, like a sound call up. And none of them can't talk to me too tough. He's who save the place, I'm all shoot up.
None of them can't talk to me too tough. None of them can exalt themselves that there shall be a base. None of them can run off them pussy mouth, then we get gunshot. Lower your tone when you talk to bad man.
None of them can't talk to me too tough. He's who save the place, I'm all shoot up. Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head that boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifleman, them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head that boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifleman, hanging in your ears like a bell. Who for tell we that I left it swell?
What am say?
Rifleman, hanging in your ears like a bell. Who for tell we that I left it swell?
Ringing in your ears like a bell. Who fi tell we that a left head swell? No pussy. None.
Rifleman, hanging in your ears like a bell. Who fi tell we that a left head swell? Bring down El Cas and deal with it jet. Clear the air eyes of my team and them. Healthy body, none of them no bad like how we. I'll go on them, I go on them, feel them it chip. And I said, make you all out watch this. Me a killer in a real life pussy. Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man this head that boom like a ball. A black cream fall in the time when my dog. 1,000 man's tongue on your front of your yard. Rifleman, pull up on the chicken, squeeze it. Hand up on the block to the money. Anybody hear this I go feel it. And up play me
DJ
Are
Mac.
you in Dover or the Kent
DJ
area
Mac.
and looking for a new sofa? Then
DJ Mac, the fucking song too short. The song too short. We want the next verse. Song too short, me G. When me just get in on the song, brother, the song just done. Like, Skeng, what the next verse? Or am I being greedy? What do you think about the song? Bumbuckler, second one, this man read me now. Don't read me name me now. DJ Mac, big up yourself in me G. Skeng, Ratty Gang, big up on yourself. Roger Wild, we see you. Jiggedy, we see you. Bumbuckler. Shyla, we see you. Big up yourself, me G. Yo, listen to me, man. Subscribe to your channel. No! This time I'm going to leave that one. If you enjoyed that one and want some more, you know what to do. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Boom!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.